after you clean your house with this technique, money is going to come to you from everywhere. All right, my friend, the crazy thing is, did you know the average person spends over 90% of their life indoors? So this means that our homes are not just physical structures that we live in, they're not just boxes. They're also powerful energetic extensions that control how much money we make and attract and how we use the law of attraction to create our future, because that energy is controlling our subconscious. So when we're in a negative environment where there's stressful objects, clutter, this mirror creates confusion and scarcity in our lives. And then our house becomes a magnet that's repelling and blocking what we want to attract into our life. So the question is, can we change it, right? What if we could transform our homes into powerful hubs of energy that magnetically attract prosperity and opportunities through subconscious programming? So I invite you to imagine that you just discovered the secret about how to transform your life and your finances in ways you really never thought possible. So picture yourself in your home, a space that until now you've just seen as a place to live. But what if I told you that this familiar space is holding the key to unlocking all new energy for an all new future, right? How does it work? And does it actually help with money? It seems a little crazy, right? Well, everything is energy. And when you cleanse the energy of all things, the rooms, the objects, your home then becomes an entirely new energy channel. You're clearing the energy channel. And when you clear the energy channel, you change your life. And that's why Wayne Dyer always said, to change your energy is to change your life. Change your energy, change your life. And so people leave comments on my videos all the time, and they're saying things like, yeah, like I'm working really hard, but I can't just get ahead. I can't get what I want. I can't get the money that I want. And right now the world is changing. It's getting harder for some people. People are saying that money is not coming in no matter what they do. They aren't earning enough. They can't get the right job. But what people don't realize is that there's a whole spiritual side of money. There's an energetic and metaphysical dimension to your success or lack thereof. And when we're afraid, when we're stressed, the fear centers of our brain kick in our amygdala, and then that shuts down the higher spiritual faculties of your mind. And a lot of times that's because of our house. So if you want to change your life quickly, you have to look towards what you cannot see, the metaphysical nature. You have to look at how energy is being blocked for the success that you want. And if you clear those energy channels, you're going to see the money or whatever else that you want start to manifest in your life, because now there's nothing bogging down that flow of energy. Now, first, before we get into it, just picture your home as like a living, breathing entity. Every corner, every item, it's pulsating energy. Even if you don't realize it, your subconscious is receiving these energy messages, and then they're dictating subconsciously what you attract into your life. So when this energy is stressful, when it's stagnant, when it's no longer inspiring, it's like a traffic congestion on the freeway, and then it's blocking the energetic flow of abundance into your life. So then your job is to remove those negative energy blocks, not to figure out more things to do, but remove them. So step number one is to embrace freshness and light. So open all the doors, open all the windows, invite fresh air and natural light. So this simple act starts to awaken dormant energy in your home. In the Scandinavian cultures, they have this whole theory behind fresh air for raising children. So they wrap babies up in the winter and they have them take their naps outside, even when it's cold. And they also suggest that you open up the windows and doors a few minutes before you go to sleep so you can cleanse the energy, and it helps the body relax. So we all know that this works. And then step number two is sound healing. So you can ring a bell, a singing bowl, a spoon, a pot. You could turn on some Tibetan sound bowls off of YouTube. This is an auditory cleanse that starts the process to shift your subconscious. Step number three is a sacred smoke cleansing. So light sage, incense, Palo Santo. You go from room to room and you're purifying and renewing that space. You allow the smoke to fill all the corners and the rooms. It's banishing the lower energies. There's a reason that in shamanic traditions for thousands of years, they've used smoke as an energetic purifier. So it's very important whether you use a candle or some Palo Santo or incense, because this is what creates the first level of the shift, and it allows older, darker energy, stagnant energy to clear out. Step number 4 is a citrus energy boost. So for extra energy boosting, you can use essential oils, you could use citrus peels mixed in water, and you can spray it around the windows, or you could just have your essential oil diffuser on. So citrus is known for uplifting energy properties. I just have an essential oil diffuser that I keep in my office all the time, because I notice that when I go into my office just for simple things like to work, sometimes I'll feel like I never left the previous day behind. So when you do this cleansing process of your home, I recommend you see if you could find some citrus essential oils. Step number 5 is deep decluttering. And this is probably the most important step. You go through every room with a critical eye. You remove anything that isn't serving a positive purpose for you. So decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about letting go of the old way, making room for new energy. And there's a really famous book, The Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. And she just had a simple question for when you're doing it and you're starting to clear out your house, your closet, all these things. You just ask, does this bring me joy? Does this bring me joy? And it seems like a simple question, but if there's a bunch of things that don't bring you joy in your house, think about the subconscious impact of that, so you can use that simple question as you're doing this. Does this bring me joy? Step number 6 is intentional cleaning. So now that you've cleared out the space thoroughly, now you can actually clean it. Vacuum, mop, whatever. Infuse your cleaning solutions though with that citrus oil, right? With that citrus energy. So you clean the whole place down, and you do it from a place of gratitude. So you're leaving the place in a really state of abundance. So a lot of times we're in the same place. It happens with cars too, right? Like you're gonna sell your car or your house, but then all of a sudden you clean it to get ready to sell it, and you realize like, damn, I actually like this thing. So you want to get it into that state, in a state of gratitude, not like, damn it, I have to clean this messy crap and I don't even want to live here. No, you give your thanks for it, even if you don't want to be there forever. And that mindset is what's going to allow you to get that new house or get that new car. And it's so underlooked. Now, step number 7 is strategic salt placement. This is big in Eastern traditions. So place glass jars full of sea salt. You can put them in the different corners of your rooms. So sea salt is a powerful energy neutralizer. It's also why people feel so good at the ocean, because the salt has negative energy ions. And this allows you, when you're walking on the beach with no shoes on, it's like it's pulling all the old emotions from the day. The stress you have is just gone right away. It's why a lot of people feel happier when they're at the ocean. Those negative ions are an energy purifier. So you can put those in some of the most important rooms, like maybe in your office right now, you're having a lot of financial stress. Put the sea salt in there, and it is a negative ion that's going to allow to recycle that energetic stress. Now, after completing these steps with genuine intention, like you really want to do it, just take a minute and just bless your home. Feel the gratitude for having a warm place to live. Think about all the good memories that you've had under that roof, even if you wanted to move. Just feeling thankful that you've had it for the time that you've had it and how it's been able to support you. And then once you've completed those 7 steps, just take a moment and then feel the transformation of your home. Feel the new energy. It's lighter, it's brighter, it's more vibrant, it's more intentional. Maybe it puts you finally in a state of inspiration again, right? Maybe it actually feels bigger because you've cleared out some stuff. And before you were like, damn, my house is too small. And all of a sudden, oh crap, it's actually bigger than I thought it was, right? Maybe you put up some new art and it kind of changed the scenery and got you inspired again. And then after you finish this exercise, you're going to see huge shifts in your life in just a few days or a few weeks. New ideas, new financial opportunities, even random unexpected sources of money may appear. Some new people are going to show up in your life. It's not a coincidence. It's a result of aligning your home's energy with the frequency of abundance and clearing out the energy channels. So I invite you to do this as a 30-day home and energy cleansing challenge. So you can comment down below each step of gratitude and how you feel after completing it. I'd love to hear your success story in the comments right there down below. And when you do this, just remember, when we harmonize our own energy and our own living spaces, our own places we're living, residing every single day, the universe responds and it lets us know that it's listening. So it's time to turn up your energy, turn up the energy in your home, turn it into a real magnet for what you desire. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, comment down below. Everything is energy, because that's all it is. Like, yeah, this may sound new age or weird. This has been happening for thousands of years. Feng Shui, all of these things are about shifting that energy. And it's one of the easiest ways to raise your energy and bring more success into your life. So if you enjoy this video, click right here to watch my video on 3 simple words to bring more money into your life.